What's up, guys? I'm gonna actually show you everything that's on that desk behind me. I'm gonna get Dorothy's help. Okay, we're gonna go from left to right, and I'm just gonna explain everything here as quick as I can. I'm not gonna go deep into all the details about all of this stuff. We're just gonna go real quick. Let's do it. This is a mic that I always have on this mic arm. It's a Shure SM7B, excellent mic. I like to use this if I just wanna record ideas real quick. It's dynamic, so it doesn't pick up background room noise, which is nice. Oh, and this arm is by Rode. The Rode PSA1, I think. Next up, oh, what are these headphones sitting right here? These are headphones I use when I record vocals. I use them when I mix as well. These are the Beyerdynamic DT700 Pro X headphones. Great headphones. They are my daily use headphones. Up here, I do have another pair. This is the Neumann HD20, I think. NDH20, the Neumann NDH20. Wow, sorry, I got that wrong, Neumann. These are excellent headphones, mostly for mixing. I do love them for mixing, and they are super high quality. Wow, look at that. All right, right next to that, we've got the Machine Mark III, limited edition purple machine.
Look at how beautiful this is.
Next up, I've got 3 rack units here. The first one is the Apollo X8 by Universal Audio. That's my main audio interface. So this is the older Apollo 8 right here. Both of them have the same number of inputs. Great machines for recording lots of inputs. Above that, I've got the BAE 1073 preamp. Beautiful preamp. I love this thing. I need to record with it more and let you guys hear it. I did not use this for the microphone comparison because I just wanted to get a dry enough signal right into it with the Apollos. All right, let's move right. Next up is something I use absolutely every day. It is my coffee thermos. And here you go, it's by Nespresso. I do drink Nespresso coffee every morning, almost every morning. And underneath
Hey, we should get a sponsorship from them.
Yeah, there you go, Nespresso. Every day in the studio with Sanjayc. All right, underneath that is a coaster. It's really important. I like to protect this desk. In fact, let's talk about the desk real quick. For those of you who don't know, this desk is by Monkwood Studio. It's an incredible sit-stand.
I almost fell.
It's an incredible sit-stand desk, and I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. It's so nice to film on because there's so much space, and it's got a keyboard tray and everything. What a beautiful desk. I'll put a link to Monkwood Studio in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I got so many questions about this desk. Let's move on. Right here is a Universal Audio Apollo Twin X, and this is also used in tandem with the other Apollo interfaces, but I just really like this dial. It's just super convenient to reach up here and adjust volumes and even gain levels and everything. There you go, let's move right. This right up here is my monitor. It's a 34-inch monitor. I don't remember the model number, but I'll find it for you and I'll put a link below. I get so many questions about this monitor.
Let's look at what you're working on.
Oh yeah, let's check it out. Bad Tape 2. Hey, use the discount code. This week only, you can get a discount on Bad Tape 2. All right, on top of the monitor, I've got a BenQ light. This is a desk light by BenQ. Check that out. And you can twist it up and down. It's pretty cool. With and without. So much nicer, isn't it? Okay, now you're looking at something here. This is a controller by Monogram. It's modular. Look at that. You can take each of these pieces apart and connect them any way you want. I can put this like this if I wanted to.
Hey, they're magnets.
Yeah, they're magnetic and they all work together. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And look what it says here. I've configured this to be an Ableton Live controller. Watch this. I can use these buttons. I've programmed them to turn loop on and off. Well, let me record the screen so I can show you guys as I'm doing this. All right, screen recording now. So I can press these buttons to turn loop on and off. I can also turn the metronome on and off, which I have to do every now and then. So got buttons to those. I can also hit the record button and start recording. There you go. Then I also have access to control Ableton devices. Look at this. So I'm turning these knobs. They control any Ableton device, already programmed, ready to go. And these control the first 3 track faders. Wow, so smooth. I love this thing, and I love it mostly because you can make it as big or as small as you want. I haven't found a use for this thing yet, so if I don't need it right now, just get rid of it. Just have whatever you need on the desk. Program whatever buttons you want. This works with other DAWs too, not just Ableton Live. You can work with other DAWs, you can work with other programs. I think it works with Photoshop and stuff like that too. And it just sits right there above the keyboard and trackpad. Isn't that beautiful? I'll put a link to the Monogram devices, the website, in the link below.
I like the glowy light color.
All right, now you're also looking at the keyboard and trackpad, and I'll just let you know this keyboard is by Logitech. I love Logitech keyboards. This is nice and slim, and it matches the laptop, matches the trackpad really well. This trackpad's by Apple. I'll put a link to this keyboard below. I really like it. It's got a nice feel to it. You know, guys, there's something I need to say. If you're recording your music at home, you should be releasing it to the world. And you can do that really easily with DistroKid, the sponsor of today's video. DistroKid is a service that lets you take your music and put it on Spotify, Apple Music, Pandora, where else? They go everywhere, right? You just go to the DistroKid site, you fill out a few things, including your album art and your song, of course, and hit the submit button, and it goes. They take care of the rest, including collecting earnings from your plays and purchases that people make on your music. They even have other really cool features. Hyperfollow is one of my favorite. What you can do is you can create a link that you can post anywhere, like Facebook or wherever, so that people can find your new music and follow you to keep up with your next release. I've actually created a couple of videos on DistroKid, and if you want to learn more about it, I'll put links to them right here. And if you're ready to sign up, you can get 7% off your first year of DistroKid membership using the link below. Let's get back to the desk. Next up, we've got a plant that you see in all my videos. A little bit of green in every video.
It's your favorite plant.
It doesn't hurt, it's the right size, and oh, this thing here. You know what this is?
Oh yeah.
I just got this because they didn't have them at Disneyland when we were there just recently. This is a lightsaber kyber crystal. There it is. Ooh.
Ooh.
It's a kyber crystal.
We just opened it. Okay, you've got to get the lightsaber out so we can try it and look at it.
Okay, let's put this in the lightsaber. All right.
Ooh.
There. Locked in. And let's try it. Yes. There it is. You are the new Darth. Let's move over to the right here. Oh, get a shot of this. Come here. That's a hub and dock. So I use that to connect my MacBook to, and it has connections for more USB-Cs, more Thunderbolt, monitors, and everything else. If you have a MacBook, I highly suggest you get this dock. All right, let's keep moving. Up top here. Oh, check out this lamp. I got this lamp from Amazon. It's remote control, but it just turns on with the studio, and you can dim it. You can make it brighter. It's cool, it just lights up this synth so nicely. I love it. This is a Sequential Prophet 6, the desktop version. It's one of my favorite synths. It's such a high quality machine. The knobs are just so high quality and beautiful. I just love this. Beautiful, it just sounds so good. This is a United States 5-cent nickel. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, to loosen all the camera stuff.
Yeah, the camera stuff and microphones, all that sort of stuff. I just kind of keep one handy. Let's go down below, and we've got here the Tube Tech. It's a compressor, the CL1B. It's a very well-known compressor. It's very transparent. And if I put a microphone through the BAE 1073 preamp here and then route this to this, it's just like magic happens. It's wizardry. It's beautiful. Underneath the compressor is actually where my MacBook goes. This is my main machine. It's a this year 2022 MacBook M1 Max with maxed out RAM and maxed out hard drive space. You don't need all that hard drive space. I just need it because I edit videos, but that's where my MacBook goes. What else do we need to do? Let's do a quick look at the keyboard tray underneath. I've got in here the Native Instruments S88 keyboard. This is my primary controller keyboard.
Yay,
Okay.
that was fun. Now I want to go to a carnival.
I know. I've got glasses here. These are the glasses that I should use more. I don't, by Warby Parker. I do like the way they look, and they do help me with reading sometimes.
Damn.
I don't wear them as often as I should. Maybe I will. I'll wear it.
Look at this sexy
now.
smarty pants.
Oh, check this out. This is the controller for the Barefoot speakers that I have. So I can just keep them in their flat response or change them to old school, which emulates the Yamaha NS10s, cube speakers, or a hi-fi stereo system. I usually leave them on flat. All right, what else do we have here? Oh, we have Kyoto. Yeah.
She loves sleeping under the desk.
Yeah, she does. Good girl. Oh, and since we're talking about stuff on the floor, I've got two things here. These are the new Neumann NDH30s. You saw the NDH20, right? 20? These are the open back version. I haven't tried them yet, but I need to. I'll let you know more about them real soon. And check it out. All right, somebody commented on the Tetro video I did, the 10 Essentials video, and they said something like, who's gonna tell Sanjay that there's a Lego Transformer Optimus Prime coming out? I didn't even know about it, but thank you. I looked it up, and Dorothy bought this for me.
Actually, Kudra was gonna get it for you first.
Yes, my brother-in-law Kudrat was gonna get it, and Dorothy beat him to the punch. All right, I think that's it. That's enough about my desk, but I'm gonna do this every now and then because stuff does change. So you're gonna see more of these types of videos. For now, I hope you enjoyed that. If you're interested in any of this stuff, I'll put links below. Keep making the music you love, and we'll do this again sometime. See you guys later.